Save 15% of any item on the Nikon store. That means bodies, lenses, accessories. Yes, you've heard that correctly. I will try to keep this video short, but if you want to jump straight away into finding out how to get this discount from me, jump into this timestamp in the corner there, or just scroll on the video slider somewhere here. This discount applies if you're in any of these European countries. While I'm in the UK, and I would go to Nikon CO UK and get the discount off the Nikon shop on their official website. While in all the other European countries listed here, you would just go to your Nikon.fr, Nikon.nl, country extensions and go to your shop there. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been shooting Nikon for over 10 years now. But if it's the first time you're seeing me, hi, my name is Michael Thomas. I'm a London-based travel, architecture and cityscape time-lapse photographer and video content creator. You can see some of my work here on YouTube, or for carousel photos and time-lapses in Reels, you can go to my Instagram account, which is London Viewpoints. And over this time, I've been working together with Nikon on occasional assignments, as well as reviewing some of their latest releases in terms of bodies or lenses. And just recently, I've been asked something very special. Nikon has asked me if I would like to become an official affiliate marketing partner with them on this new trial basis that they're starting this program with. And of course I said yes. And it's not just because there's commission involved when someone purchases any equipment on the Nikon store using my discount codes, but the 15% discount you'd be getting makes the deal better than any deal you'll find online for new equipment, that is bodies and lenses, and I dare you to prove me wrong. And I'm not going to be sending you to some weird links or sign-ups, nothing like that. You just go to the official Nikon website for your country, you go to the shop, you add your items, and at the checkout you just add the discount code, and that's it, 15% discounted. And even though sometimes on the Nikon website the price is just a little bit higher than what you can find cheaper while searching through companies like Camera Price Buster that I've been using quite often, and always when I was searching for some equipment I was just checking which company in the UK here sells it at the cheapest price. While with that 15%, you're actually going to be beating the cheapest price that there is on Camera Price Buster from any of the companies. And I've got examples to show you how much exactly you'd be saving. So let's dive into some comparisons on Camera Price Buster versus the Nikon website, and then I'll show you how the exact process works. Also, as far as I know, on Camera Price Buster, all of these companies that we're going to be comparing prices against, none of them are grey import. They're all UK shops where if you purchase any lens or body from any company, here being Nikon, you always get the warranty with Nikon, while grey import can cause all sorts of problems. The warranty is never with the manufacturer, it's just with the shop. You can get shipping, customs, other, VAT and stuff like that. Don't buy from grey import. Recommend you I buy directly from UK companies or directly from Nikon, that I'm just giving you the discount now, which will be beneficial because the price will beat all of these prices that I'm just going to show you. I've actually made a spreadsheet comparing the current lowest Camera Price Buster prices against the current Nikon shop website price and the 15% discount, and how much saving would that get you against the lowest price on Camera Price Buster, whichever company is listed as the cheapest price at the moment. And funny enough, some of the prices are even lower than the lowest that the price was ever on any UK company, which is just mind-blowing. Okay, let's start with the newly released Nikon ZR. It's been released at $2,199, but since mid-January, it seems like Wexphoto had it for £2,158. Go to the Nikon website, it's still there at 2,199, apply the 15% and ka-ching, it's 1,869, and that's a £288 saving against the UK's cheapest price at the moment. Bear in mind, there's no spring savings actually on the Nikon ZR, while currently on the Nikon website and the shop there's a lot of items discounted because they're running like a spring saving discounts till the end of March, and you can actually apply the 15% on top of these items that have that spring discount already, which just makes the price even lower. Okay, let's have a look at the Nikon Z8, a popular body, a powerhouse workhorse. Currently, it's cheapest on Harrison cameras for £2,999. Originally on the Nikon store, if we jump to the Nikon website, it was for £3,789, but has the spring offer at the moment. Then we go to the checkout, apply the 15% discount code, ka-ching! While in all fairness, seems like Grays of Westminster had it once for £2,699 at some point, but now it's actually not far off that lowest price ever. Another random example, an expensive dream lens I'd love to own one day. The Nikon Z 400mm f2.8 VR S lens. Currently cheapest, according to Camera Price Buster at Camera World, for £11,999, while on the Nikon store it's £12,299. Let's apply the 15% discount and boom, £10,454, a saving of £1,544 from the current lowest price. And if you look at the graph on Camera Price Buster, it looks like £10,450 was the lowest it's ever been, also on Camera World. So yeah, we are £6 lower than the lowest price ever for that lens. Now you can see what kind of savings you can get with this 15% discount, so let me explain you how I can give you this discount. As it's an early stage of this Nikon affiliate program, kind of like a trial I think they're still doing, I've been told only select few partners have been chosen, so I'm quite privileged to be one of them. I don't have one code that I would just right here and give to everyone and you can use it however you like. What I do have on this trial program basis is a list of 20 individual codes which all offer the exact same 15% discount, and each of them can only be used once. They all come in this code format, and I will send one to you upon you sending me a request that you would like a code like this. As this code is so specific, I will keep a spreadsheet of all the codes that I've given out to everyone, just to mark that I don't give someone the exact same code and then they end up not being able to use it. And my plan is to give out all 20 of these codes, one per person, and that doesn't matter if you want to do a gear haul, buy a whole 2.8 trinity of lenses, 3 bodies, and mega expensive telephotos, or just one lens. I just want you to genuinely send me a request saying, I'm planning to buy this, could you send me a code, and I will send you a code. All that I would like to avoid is giving out the codes for someone who would just like to check if the code works, window shop, and then not use it, because then this code could have been used by someone else who actually wants to purchase something, and I've only got 20 of them. However, I've been told by my Nikon contact that if I give out all 20 of my codes, and most of them will be used, and they can track if the code's been used and something's been purchased with the code, then I will get a new batch of codes, which is great, and I'll be able to give out more codes. So, how to contact me for a code? Everyone's got Instagram these days, and through Instagram I'll be able to click on your profile and see that you're not a bot, that you're a genuine human being. I will not check how many followers you got, what's your engagement, or what sort of photos are you posting. Will not matter. As long as I see through your Instagram profile that you're a human and you say that I would like to purchase this or that, whatever that may be, I'll just send you the code. So to recap, once I give you the code, you can enter it onto the Nikon website and pick whatever lenses you want. You don't have to proceed to purchase straight away, but once you do purchase with the discount, you will no longer be able to use that code again. As simple as that. You can just buy one item with it, or you can just put 20 items in your checkout and apply the code, and it will take 15% off the total sum. And that's it, simple as that. 15% discount off Nikon website. This is the best deal you can get for new Nikon equipment out there.